हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ संकेत। बहुत देख लिया, अभी आप बस आंखें बंद करके रिलैक्स हो जाओ। यू जस्ट क्लोज योर आइज एंड यू लिसन टू मी 5 minutes. I will give you last conclusion of the examination and what tips we shall follow for upcoming examination. First thing, paper pattern is same. मॉक टेस्ट के अंदर जो है वॉट एवर इज देयर इन मॉक टेस्ट विल बी सेम इन द क्वेश्चन पेपर. Just there will be 2 extra questions in the question paper. Format will be same and mock test format is same as December 2019 exam question paper. So paper pattern is clear. How many MCQs, how many descriptives. Don't count numericals in MCQs because numericals are different though they contain MCQ wise answers. Like tell us reorder level. So in reorder level you are given 4 options, but that doesn't count as MCQ because that is numerical question. MCQs are 30 marks only for intermediate and for final 20, 25 whatever is there. Second thing, many were asking that sir we skipped partnership accounting, now what to do? No need to worry. You can attempt and you will be given a choice of 2 questions. So in the exam you don't attempt the partnership question. You can skip the partnership question. How many it will come? 2 it will come max to max. 2 questions of partnership will come in the exam. We will skip that both. So at this time in November, no need to worry that I skipped that, I skipped this, now what to do. Same strategy will go on. Whatever I had told earlier in the videos, same thing you can follow and you can go. And if you found the video useful, please do like it, and if you didn't find the video useful you can dislike, but please leave your comment, your like on this video. Third thing I would like to tell you, is there any need to change the strategy for the upcoming examination? No need to change strategy. Syllabus, question paper, everything is same. I will also talk about postponement at the end of the video. What are my thoughts? Fourth thing, weightage of the paper will be around 120 125 marks as it used to be in the previous exams also, adding 2 extra questions. Fifth thing I would like to tell you, as a student, one practical advice I will give you. Yesterday I also saw mock test of final group 3. So one thing which I noticed as a student, like if we get question paper in hand and we see the question, it is different, and question paper seeing digitally on laptop screen is completely different. So my advice to all the students is, please get used to it. You please watch the question paper, or you try to watch the question paper, or try to solve mock test again and again, so that you may develop a certain comfort that yes, on laptop we can see the questions and we can solve the questions on the rough book. Because if you don't get used to it, and you directly go in the exam, it will be really very tough. Because yesterday I also wobbled a little, looking the questions at laptop and then solving and summarizing in the rough book. So this is one advice, please get used to it. At least 2-3 hours you see for mock test. Sixth thing I would like to tell you, many are confused that should we select home based or center based. So my advice is, if you have a good internet connection above 5 megabytes per second, if your internet speed is 5 mbps per second, then you can surely opt for home based examination. No need to worry at all. Even foundation students are giving exam from home, so inter and final can also give from home if they have good internet connection or facility. And main thing is, at home you don't need to wear mask 3-4 hours continuously. At center you may have to wear the mask, so there will be a little discomfort. Seventh thing I would like to tell you, also please make sure you are typing 15 minutes. I tell that read my MCQs 30 minutes before going to sleep. Now read that MCQs 15-20 minutes and spare out 10-15 minutes typing something. Why I am telling so, it is very important, because if 8 marks question is coming in the exam of theoretical, in law final or somewhere in audit or something, 8 marks question is coming. So in answer sheet what we used to do, we used to type, or we used to write 2-3 pages, right? 2 pages we used to write. So अपने को दिखता था कि yes, 1 page is complete, now 2nd page is complete, now I can stop. But here digitally you don't know how many pages are over, how many lines are over for 8 marks. So if you practice 10-15 minutes, then after a certain 10-15 times practice, you may come to know कि yes, 15 lines in the screen means I have completed 1 page. This is very important strategy. Those who will follow this strategy will surely rock. अदर्स विल वॉबल कि 8 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है, कितना लिखूं, मैंने 10 लाइन लिख दिया, अब ये 1 पेज हो गया, 2 पेज हो गया, छोटा हो गया, बड़ा हो गया. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इफ यू प्रैक्टिस 10 to 15 minutes. Next 8th point is कि now please study, everything is very clear. Don't wait for home based guidelines, center based guidelines. What will they contain? They will contain इधर मत देखो, उधर मत देखो, पीछे से लाइट नहीं आना चाहिए, पीछे ना देखो, आगे देखो, इधर उधर मत करो, वही. उसके अलावा देर इज नथिंग एज सच आई थिंक इन द गाइडलाइन. कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एंड ऑल, व्हेन वी fill up the form, the system check is there you can see your laptop, everything that system scans and it tells that is your laptop feasible and okay to give the upcoming examination. 9th thing I would like to tell you, final mock test about postponement. Last thing, final mock tests are really very late. It's 2nd of November and the institute has given at least 5 mock tests per subject, 5 to 6. So if the person is giving 8 papers, then 8 into 5 is 40 days. Now we are not having 40 days also. So minimum half days, that is 20 to 21 days extra should be provided. So after Diwali, we will surely request that at least provide 2 to 3 weeks. We are not telling provide 40 days additional, but at least 2 to 3 weeks should be provided, or else we won't be able to practice the mock test. It will be waste of resources because institute has done so much for us and we are unable to practice because of shortage of time. So yes, after Diwali we will also request, and you also can email the institute whatever your thoughts are there. I will also make sure that I request them. Ultimately the decision is with the central council members, but yes, we can tell our problems and surely I think institute will consider. There is no surety. You keep on studying, just we will request. And last thing, start studying. I wish you a very happy Diwali. Enjoy Diwali, stay safe. If any notification updates come, I will be always there for you all. I hope you found the video useful. All the tips you will apply and surely you will clear in the upcoming examination. This is it. I am signing off. Thank you so much. All the very best.